Meet Leo and Luna Rae, cousins who help each other navigate life while learning. They're on a mission to explore emotions, life, and how to stay safe online. So buckle up, subscribe, and get ready to level up with Leo and Luna Rae.
Leo said to Luna, "I think today is gonna be a super smart day." Luna laughed and said, "Only if we don't accidentally turn the robot into a pizza maker again." They both laugh as they point at the big glowing AI computer screen. Today, Leo and Luna are on a mission to learn how to stay safe and smart with artificial intelligence. Ooh, fancy words, but don't worry, we gotcha. Leo looks into the screen and shouts, "Hey AI! Are you listening to my thoughts?" Luna gasps dramatically. Just kidding. AI can't read our minds. Yet. They both laugh and make silly faces at the screen. Luna said, "But it can help us with homework, cleanup beats, and robot dance moves, as long as we use it the right way." Leo nodded. "Right. Like only chatting with AI when a grown-up says it's okay." Affirmation time. I am smart. I ask questions. I stay safe with tech. They pretend to type like super fast tech geniuses. Leo said, "I only share my name with friends, not robots, unless the robot is named Bob and gives me snacks." Okay, still no. Luna laughed and said, "We keep our secrets safe. No birthdays, no addresses, no secret cookie recipes." They dance goofy in front of the glowing screen. Let's say it together. Just because it's smart doesn't mean it's always right. Leo squinted at the screen. So if an AI says 2 + 2 is 7, I'm calling my teacher, not my toaster. Affirmation time. I use my brain. I ask for help. I think before I click. Luna gives a big thumbs up. Leo trips over his shoelace and they both laugh. Leo said, "Okay, Luna, I think we passed our AI safety mission." Luna replied, "Yup, we're basically future robot bosses now." They high-five. The screen flashes mission complete. Together they shouted, "Stay safe, stay smart, stay silly. And don't forget to laugh." Even when the robot thinks your cat is a dog.
Thanks for leveling up with us today. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a moment with Leo and Luna Rae. Come back next time to grow, glow, and go. Bye, Feelings Explored.